Mark, why are you late to my class?
I'm sorry, but my brother's in the hospital.
Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry to hear that.
It's okay.
The next day. Excuse me?
Yes?
You're late again. Is your brother still in the hospital?
Listen carefully. If you love Satan, skip this video, but it might hurt your mom. If you love Jesus and mom, please click follow, like, comment, I love Jesus and mommy, and share. I will give you 3 seconds to make a decision.
Hospital?
Yeah, he is.
And are you okay?
I'm fine. Why do you ask?
Because your brother's in the hospital.
Well, yeah, he's a doctor.
Oh, great heavens!